Welcome to this journey of home decor and woodworking. Wood has always been more than just a material. It's a living reminder of nature, strength, and warmth. With the right touch, every board, every grain, and every curve can be transformed into something extraordinary. Woodworking isn't just about cutting and joining. It's about patience, vision, and passion. Every project begins as an idea, a sketch, a piece of inspiration, or even just a need in the home. From there, it takes shape, slowly and carefully, until it becomes something that can be touched, admired, and lived with. When we create with wood, we create more than furniture. We create comfort, we create beauty, we create a sense of home. Each chair, each table, each frame, carries not just craftsmanship, but a story. A story of time, of care, and of imagination brought to life. Home decor brings that story full circle. Decor is how we express who we are, and woodworking gives us the tools to bring those expressions into reality. From rustic shelves that hold our favorite books, to handcrafted tables where families gather, woodworking has a warmth that no factory-made product ever could. Sometimes, they're in the things that matter most: a wooden frame for a treasured photo, a small handmade box that holds memories, a simple candle holder that glows on quiet evenings. These details bring personality and character to every corner of the home. And sometimes, it's the big projects: the bed that becomes the centerpiece of a bedroom, the dining table where laughter and conversation flow for years to come, the cabinets that make a kitchen both beautiful and practical. These pieces not only serve a purpose, they become part of the family's daily life. What makes woodworking so special is that no two pieces are ever truly alike. The knots, the grains, the imperfections, they are what make each project unique. They remind us that beauty can be found in the natural, the handmade, and the imperfect. Through woodworking, we connect to tradition. For centuries, people have built their homes, their tools, and their treasures from wood. And today, with every project, we continue that legacy. Every handmade item is a bridge between the past and the present, between nature and the home. But woodworking isn't just about the final result, it's also about the process. The sound of the saw, the rhythm of sanding, the smell of fresh cut wood. These moments of creation are just as meaningful as the finished product. They remind us that making is an act of love, of patience, and of care. And in the end, home decor and woodworking are about more than filling spaces. They're about creating spaces that feel alive, that feel welcoming, that feel like us. They're about making a house into a home, one handmade piece at a time. So as you watch these projects come to life, remember, home isn't just where we live. Home is what we build, what we shape, and what we share with the people we love. Through woodworking,